Hey everybody, welcome back to 2 Acres Evolving. Today I'm here with Vincent from Our Rustic Life, and we are going to be putting in a new greenhouse on the property next door. I have a plan for a greenhouse in my backyard, but I've been wanting one for the property next door, and Vincent reached out to me and asked me if I wanted one, and I said absolutely. So we're going to be putting this up over there, and I'm here also with my brother, who's walking away, and my nieces, Ariana and Maddie, who are running away.
Oh, they're gonna get put to work. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
We'll put them to work.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this greenhouse moved over there and get it set up. And a good thing with Vincent coming over is he does all the heavy lifting.
Good exercise.
Yeah. So you all probably have not seen all this mess out here. The electric company came out and there was some trees that were rubbing up against the power lines, so they had to come out and cut them all down. So when I get the first calm day, I will be coming out and burning all this.
Can we
and
come?
Getting rid of it. What?
Can we come?
No.
Dang it.
I'm kidding. Yes, you can.
Yay.
Maddie, what are you doing?
I don't know.
All right, so we got all the pieces laid out, and it doesn't look like too much work. It says that for 2 people, it takes about 2 hours. So we've got 3 adults and 2 children.
Probably takes about 4 or 5 hours.
Yeah, so I would say about 6, 7 hours maybe.
6, 7 hours? That's most of today.
So basically, I'm just gonna set the camera up and
I'm gonna work.
do a time lapse
I'm gonna work.
of putting it up. right, so we got this set up, and I think this is going to work out great. I tend to buy a bunch of plants and don't know what to do with them. So now I can buy all the plants I want and just keep them in this greenhouse until I'm ready for them. This one is 10 by 20, and I also plan on building another 10 by 20 out in my backyard. So this kind of gives me an idea how big it's going to be, and this is going to be plenty big enough. On the inside, we've got these T-posts in to anchor it down to the ground, so if we get a bad windstorm, I won't have to worry about it blowing away or anything. And it's also got these windows to circulate the air, because this hasn't been up for 10 minutes yet, and it's already a lot warmer. I would say it's probably 10 to 15 degrees warmer than it is on the outside. So it definitely warms up quickly in here. So the windows will be good to open up to get some air circulation in here. So I'm gonna come in here and clean out all the mulch and all the leaves and everything, and then I plan on getting some landscaping timbers and going along the sides, all 4 sides, and then filling this in with rock. I think that'll look really good in here. And then I'll probably get some shelves so I can get even more plants in. And I could even probably figure out a way to hang some hanging baskets up from these. So definitely gonna work out. I like it a lot. And this is all because of Vincent over here. I really appreciate it, Vincent.
Hey man, it's my pleasure, dude.
This has been
you got
awesome.
the room for it, and you're gonna get more use out of it. So
yeah,
it's better for you than me.
so I appreciate it. I think it's really gonna work out.
I'm just glad we're done setting it up.
Yeah, it took us. I think it took us a little longer than 2 hours, but we eventually got it.
Yeah, I'm just glad. I'm glad we got it in.
Yeah.
Did you tell them about what happened here?
So, no, I was going to
Go
leave
ahead.
that out, Vincent.
No.
Thank you very
No,
much.
go ahead and tell them the truth. Clumsy.
So you can see that we had to fix something right here. When we had this, we built the top of it, and we had it sitting on the ground, and I went to step over it, and clumsy me tripped over it and bent it and broke it a little bit right there. But we taped it up, and it's holding up pretty good.
It's
so
stronger now.
yeah, we've got it even stronger now, so it should be good.
We're thinking about adding tape to all the poles. No, fine.
Yeah, eventually I'll have tape on every single pole in here. But another thing that I wanted to show you is the windows. They roll up on the outside, and then you tie them up. So they just, right now they're just Velcroed down when you want them closed. And then you can just open them up like this. And then just tie them up after you roll them up. So that'll get quite a bit of airflow, because there's 4 windows on each side. So that'll get quite a bit of airflow through it when it gets really hot. All right, but anyway, I really appreciate you all watching this video, and a big thank you to Vincent from Our Rustic Life. I know that most of you follow him already, but if there's some of you that have not followed him already, I'll be sure to put a link down to his YouTube channel down in the description below. Thanks again for watching our process of putting this greenhouse together, and we'll see you in the next one.